to my channel. It's your girl Imani here and I'm back with another freaking video. Unfortunately, this video is not gonna be that happy and joyful. Texas is going through so much right now. So many people are being affected by this snowstorm. I'm just so blessed to still have electricity and to still have power and to still have hot water and just heat, and I'm praying for everyone that has lost power and stuff within this storm, this two-part storm at that. Super crazy, and I just can't imagine it. And yesterday, like, I had to go out because I'm running out of groceries. Like, I'm running out of fruit and stuff, and y'all, I don't know, well, I didn't tell y'all that I'm vegan, but I'm actually vegan now. There's only certain things that I can eat, and I'm running out, and I'm just like trying to go to the store. I tried to go to Walmart yesterday, and as soon as I got there, they were like, oh, we're closing down in 5 minutes because the second part of the storm started, like, it started happening. Everyone was like rushing out and stuff, and I'm just like, this is so crazy. I literally don't know what to say or do. This is not why I moved from up north to Dallas. I just didn't think that this could ever happen. And the thing is, I don't mind the snow because I'm used to it. I used to live in Maryland. I'm used to it. They're not equipped to handle weather like this, so they don't have like the plow trucks. They don't have shovels here. They don't plow even the main roads. It's crazy. I'm just trying to adjust to it, but also in my head I'm just like, I don't know. I know that this is a once in a lifetime thing, but at the same time, like, I just think it's so, like, I don't know. I tried to get gas because my tank is basically on E. The gas stations are not even working. Also, throughout the storm, at least I've had Bailey. Like, I don't have family here, but at least I have Bailey, even though, like, she requires a lot because she gotta go outside to use the bathroom. I'm forced to go out in the snow, this cold weather, but I don't know, like, I'm still grateful for her because, like, I would be lonely without her. Yeah, like I said, I'm vegan. So what does that mean? That means vegan dinners. So look what my cousin just sent me. That's me. It is the ugliness for me. Hold on, y'all, because this is how my freezer look right now. So I got some food, but the stuff that I really do want and really eat is running out. Instead of ground beef, I'm eating veggie crumbles. So this is the brand, and it literally looks just like it. You can't tell me it doesn't look different. I mean, you can't tell me it looks different. This looks just like ground beef. Then we have the ingredients, and the ingredients is flour tortilla, lettuce, sour cream, and cheese. And okay, so this is the thing. I know what y'all gonna say. Oh, that's not vegan, it's cheese. You can get. I get that, but at the end of the day, if it's not meat, baby, then it's vegan to me. Because did I rhyme? Yeah, because, like, if I'm not eating meat, then I'm vegan in my eyes. Call it vegetarian, call it vegan, call it whatever the heck you want to call it, but I'm vegan to me. The first day of the storm, my power did go out, so I am basically, what I'm doing is making sure that all of my electronics are charged. I even went to Walmart and brought a portable battery. So I'm just making sure that stays charged. I'm making sure my phone is charged. My phone is on the charger right now. My computer on the charger right now. And the thing, they're charged, but I'm just making sure, like, they stay at 100% because I just want to deal with it. I really don't want to deal with it. I even had my candles out, like, when my power did, like, flicker on and off and stayed off for a few hours. I had my candles on because that's the only light that I had, and I used my phone flashlight, so it is what it is. I'm just really praying that everyone just make it out of this storm safe and sound, and we can just move on, because next week is gonna be in the 60s. So hopefully all the snow, all the ice will melt away, and you know, we'll just be back to normal. My veggie ground beef, it is thawed out. Well, it's thawed out for the most part, so you know what, it's good for me. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to pour it in here. It's about to get crazy. Hold on. Is it even? okay. I did get taco seasoning because we want the taco taste, like, hello. Really looks just like ground beef, and it's not. It's veggie crumbles. Now, how is it veggie crumbles? I don't know, but it's veggie crumbles. So I forgot to show y'all, but I already put the lettuce, the cheese, and I put it in the microwave. Oh my god! So this is what it looks like. I like to warm it up because I want it to be more like a burrito versus a taco. Yeah, so it's this way. And then voila, you have a burrito. So I just finished eating. Now I'm about to work out. After I work out, I'm gonna meditate and I don't know, get on TikTok or something. But the most important part is that I'm about to work out. As y'all see, I have on a waist trainer because I'm trying to get that stomach snatched, honey. We trying to be snatched all 2021. I just woke up and you know what, like the saddest things are happening in Texas. But my friend called me and literally her pipes bust, so hopefully she does not lose everything. And it's just so sad what's going on in Texas right now. Like I just never would have thought that Dallas would or Texas could get like this. And then you have the mayor saying that, you know, or the Texas senator, whoever it is, senator taking trips away to Cancun, and then mayors are saying that like no one owes Texas citizens anything, and that basically everyone needs to fend for themselves, and that like just suck it up. It's time for me to go. I don't want to live in a state where their priority is to not protect their citizens, protect their people. And it just sucks because I did enjoy being in Dallas, but I'm slowly but surely starting to, you know, just not have that feeling anymore. So I just think that it's time for me to head on out. Everything is covered pretty much. Like you can barely see the wheels of the tires. I mean, you can see it, but it's just a lot of snow. It's a lot of snow for Texas. I made the decision to stay off social media for the rest of today and probably tomorrow, because I just don't. Okay, I'm an empath, so I literally take on everything heads on and just feel overwhelmed by things, and I cannot like do this. And to think that we had the craziest of 2020 and now it's just the beginning of 2021 again, and here we go. And everyone knows me, I am such a positive person. I feel like, you know, we have to always look at the positive side of things, but it's really tough right now. Like my heart is just going out to so many people. Like it's just, I can't imagine it. And I'm just so grateful that I get to still have my power, still have hot water. And yeah, like I am definitely moving from Dallas. And the thing is, I understand that no matter where you go, you're gonna always experience some type of weather malfunction, some type of, you know, within the seasons that come. But I don't like how Texas is handling its people. I don't like it. So it's just time for me to go. Like, I'm gonna be leaving Dallas the end of this year, and I already had plans to, but this is just confirming my plans much more. Like, I'm gonna be leaving Dallas. But for all of y'all that want to come here and, you know, start a new life here, I still say do it. But I've been here, I've experienced it, I've had my time here, and now it's time for something new. Something else is waiting for me to experience it. So like, regardless of the weather, I have to take my dog out. So yeah, we're out here. Honestly, it's not, if my dog pooped one more time, I promise you, this is the third time she pooped, because I can't really take her outside that much because it's too cold. But right now it's sunny, as you can see. It's kind of sunny, so it's not too cold, but I still make sure I bundle up when I come outside. Hey guys, sorry about my hair. But on tonight's menu, we are having vegan buffalo chick burgers. So this is what they look like. I did put cheese, and I know what you're gonna say, cheese isn't vegan. Speaking to me. So I did put cheese on it. Oh my gosh, so good. I'm gonna put onions and peppers on it. And honestly, it tastes just like a regular, like, chicken sandwich. So that's on tonight's meal. Hey guys, so me and Bailey is out. We out here in these Texas snow streets. So I want to show y'all the roads. So this is what the streets are looking like. As you can see, the sun is out, so the snow is melting. So now we're about to get back into those high temps. All the snow is about to start melting, and it's just about to be super random again. So can y'all watch Bailey for me? I need to go get gas. So we made it back in my apartment. I'm so tired. I need to edit this video and post it. So I'm about to do that, and then I am about to do some workout, and just chill for the rest of the day. I went to sleep at I literally went to sleep at 5 this morning. I think that's so crazy. I went to sleep at 5 this morning, so I'm actually really exhausted. I just want to say I hope that everyone in Texas is doing okay. As y'all saw, like, the snow is starting to melt. I'm looking out my window right now, and it's really melting. And this is just in 30-degree weather with the sun out this weekend, and next week it'll get into the 70s. So it's really gonna be gone by then as well. It doesn't last long in Texas, but yeah, I hope everyone is doing okay in Texas or not. And make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at the Imani Collins, and I'll be back for another video. Bye guys.